Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple banana bread. And it's so simple that all we need is a blender because it's an all-in-one recipe. You can use a smoothie blender like this, or you can use a food processor, or you can even use an immersion blender if that's all you've got. So we're going to begin by placing 225 grams of self-raising flour into the blender, followed by 175 grams of light brown sugar. Next, we'll pour in 100 milliliters of vegetable oil or any other neutral flavored oil. You can use butter for this recipe, but you will end up with a moister cake at the end of it if you use oil. Next, we'll place in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 50 milliliters of milk, crack in 2 eggs, just double check to make sure no shell's gone in, and then half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Finally, the main ingredients, we're going to add in 2 ripe bananas. Next, we'll place the lid on, and then we're going to blend it until it's completely smooth. You might need to just stop it part way through to scrape down the sides to make sure all the mixture is incorporated. And then just give it one more mix to make sure it's fully blended. And there we go. So this is now a perfectly good banana bread mixture, and you can bake it as it is and you'll have a nice plain banana bread which will be absolutely delicious. But we're going to elevate ours and make it into a Biscoff and chocolate chip banana bread. So to do that, I'm going to place this mixture into a mixing bowl. You can see how smooth the mixture is here. And next we're going to take 10 Lotus Biscoff biscuits, and I'm keeping 4 back for the topping. We're just going to break those biscuits in. You can leave them nice and chunky, don't have to be small. And then we're going to add in 2/3 of our chocolate chips. Again, keeping some back for the top. Next, fold the chocolate and the biscuits through the mixture. And then we're going to pour it into a loaf tin lined with greaseproof paper. Place your banana bread into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius fan for 45 minutes. Take your banana bread from the oven, remove it from the tin and leave it to cool on a cooling rack. To finish your banana bread, take 1 jar of Biscoff Smooth Spread and use as much of it as you would like. And spread it all over the top of your banana bread using a palette knife. Then sprinkle over the remaining chocolate chips and break over the last 4 Biscoff biscuits. So that's how I make this super simple Biscoff and chocolate chip banana bread. It's so easy that I think that any of you can do it, no matter what your baking experience is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.